Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I promised you that we were going to race these two machines to find out how much faster these machines will actually cut compared to fast mode on the original. So we've got the Cricut Maker Cricut Maker 3 and our original Cricut Maker in the Champagne. I've already loaded and got my Cricut Maker ready, but I wanted to show you the loading of the Smart Materials with the Cricut Maker 3. Super excited about this. I will just flip some cameras around and do some things a little bit different so that of course we can see exactly what's going on. I've got a really simple design in Cricut Design Space. Ultimately my son's going to end up with a lot of gamer stickers. If you don't know who I am, my name is Paul from Scissors Paper Paul on Instagram, Facebook and on YouTube. Make sure you follow me on all those socials because I do share project files, different inspiration on each of those different platforms. Of course, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on my content each and every week. I hope you're excited. Again, let me know in the comments if you're new. I want to get to meet you. If you've got any questions at all about any of the machines, it doesn't have to be the new ones, it can be the old ones as well. Pop those in the comments as well and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So let's jump into Design Space. Okay, so here is my design. It's just a gamer sticker that probably end up going on my son's wall or maybe on the side of his bed or bedroom door, who knows. I'll share that with you and let you know. I'm just gonna go up and check that I've got the correct machine on the top right. So we've got our Maker 3 selected. I'm going to click Make It. And now, because we can use Smart Materials, it's going to ask me if I want to cut with or without a mat. And I'm going to say without a mat. So I'm using premium vinyl for both machines. I sliced a 6-inch piece for the mat on the Cricut Maker so that I'm doing everything exactly the same. So it's coming up and saying, yep, it's going to fit. And then it says, click Continue. Okay, and then we can select our Smart Materials. So because we've chosen that we're doing it off the mat, the Cricut Design Space will only allow us to choose materials that can be cut without a mat. So I'm going to choose the Smart Vinyl Permanent. Okay, default pressure, everything else is fine. It's telling me to load my materials. Obviously my fine point blade is already in the machine, so that's all good to go. Here is my Smart Materials. You're watching this for the very first time. So this is, I've not done this before. So I'm just going to go to the front camera so you can see this a little bit better. And I'm just going to put this between the guides and feed that through and hit load. So now it's just going to make sure and measure that I've got enough material in order to complete the cut, and then it's going to come up and give me the option to select the go button. So now I'm just going to change around and I'm going to change cameras so that you can actually see exactly how fast they can cut. So give me a second to do that. Okay, now I'm going to press the flashing C on the Maker and the go button on the Maker 3. Ready? On your marks, get set, go. And there you have it. I think we have a clear winner. The Maker Explore, the Cricut Maker 3 absolutely blitzed that test. It was a little bit slow to get started, if you noticed. And then, I mean, oh my gosh, it was off like a rocket. So now we're just going to eject the materials, and our cuts are done. So we'll weed those and I'll show you the finished product. But as always, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Again, any questions you've got about any of the machines, any of the products, post those in the comments as well, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thanks for joining me today.